What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get a mysterious letter in Travel Town. Now, if you're looking for a way to get the mysterious letter here in Travel Town, well, there are a few things that you may want to understand how it is actually produced. Now, mysterious letters here are rare type of items that you get in here. So meaning you need to at least have the rare bucket here in order for you to start producing them. But how do you produce them? Well, the thing with mysterious letters here is you can only get them via the bucket itself. So it's RNG, so meaning it randomly spawns in here. But to be speaking, those mysterious letters here are used to craft or create mysterious fossils. So if I'm not mistaken, if you get four mysterious letters here, you get a map. Which again, you can combine those maps to get fossils here. So yeah, so what you need to do is you just need to start spawning here, and eventually you may get a mysterious letter spawning from your bucket. Again, at least you need to have at least like a rare bucket here in order for you to start spawning. So if you have a rarer type of bucket here, it's going to give you more chances of spawning it. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.